Some disturbing hazing allegations during a football camp at a South Suburban high school have now led to a federal lawsuit. The victim's family says the school district hasn't done enough to discipline employees and prevent this from happening to anybody else. We are identifying the teenage boy because the parents say they want his story out there. NBC5's Chris Hush has more from Braidwood.
He was looking for that, kind of that starlight stardom that football players have in high school.
That's what 15-year-old Anthony Brookman was trying to do, attending a summer 2017 football camp at Reed Custer High School in Braidwood, until his mother, Allison, said her son landed in the hospital.
Bruises, scrapes, his clothing torn, his underwear stretched.
In fact, the Will County State's Attorney's Office says 3 juveniles were charged with aggravated battery.
Tell me you wouldn't fight for your son.
The Brookmans filed this federal lawsuit this morning against the Reed Custer School District 255, demanding a trial by jury.
Anthony Brookman deserves his day in court because nobody stood up to protect him. Nobody at the school.
In response to the lawsuit, School District Superintendent Mark Mitchell says, "We denied the plaintiffs' allegations that school district officials were aware of or tacitly acknowledged a culture of abuse, hazing, bullying, and assault toward the individual. That hazing has been part of the culture of the Reed Custer football team for years, and that coaches have either sanctioned these rituals or turned a blind eye toward them. We intend to vigorously defend these baseless allegations and protect the reputation of our fine school district and its staff."
If they took care of the kids that they're supposed to protect, we wouldn't be here.
He needs to know that he's loved enough. He needs to know that he's cared about enough and that he's worth fighting for.
According to the school district, the head football coach at the time of the incident resigned just 5 months after the school was made aware of these allegations. But the superintendent tells me they have no evidence to suggest that that is the reason why he resigned. Meanwhile, the 3 juveniles charged in this case are expected to be back in court in January. In Braidwood, I'm Chris Hush, NBC5 News.
Thanks to Chris.